First open Start and click on Setting. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Locate Microsoft Store. Click on and select Advanced option. Click on Reset. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type WS Reset. Wait for Windows Store to be repaired. Now close the store and restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administration. Copy the text that you will find in description. Right-click white frame, select Edit and then Paste. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4 and click on Properties. Press OK. Close the windows and restart.